AI is evolving at a speed that's hard to believe. In 2025, ChatGPT is still a household name. But what if I told you there are AI tools out there that are even smarter, more specialized, and more powerful than ChatGPT itself? That's right, the AI landscape has exploded, and a new generation of tools is quietly outpacing what most people think is possible. These aren't just chatbots, they're research assistants, creative partners, and even autonomous agents that can build, analyze, and create in ways ChatGPT simply can't. So, what are the top 5 AI tools that are smarter than ChatGPT in 2025? And how are they changing the game for creators, businesses, and everyday users? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know which tools are leading the pack and how you can use them to get ahead of the curve. Let's dive in. To understand how we got here, let's rewind for a moment. When ChatGPT launched, it was a revolution. Suddenly, anyone could have a conversation with an AI that could write code and brainstorm. But the world didn't stand still. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Meta, and a wave of startups kept pushing the boundary. By 2025, the competition is fierce. New models are smarter, faster, and more specialized. The result? A new class of AI tools that don't just talk. They think, reason, and act. So, which ones are truly ahead of the curve? Let's break it down. First up, Claude 4 by Anthropic. Claude 4 isn't just a chatbot. It's a reasoning powerhouse. Built with a focus on safety and deep understanding, Claude 4 can process huge documents, analyze complex data, and even debate philosophical questions. Its memory and context window are massive, letting it keep track of long conversations and intricate details that would trip up ChatGPT. Researchers, lawyers, and analysts are using Claude 4 to summarize legal cases, review scientific papers, and even draft policy documents. For example, a legal team recently used Claude 4 to analyze thousands of pages of court transcripts, extracting key arguments and inconsistencies in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Its ability to reason, not just regurgitate, puts it a step ahead. Next, Google Gemini Ultra. Gemini Ultra is Google's answer to the next generation of AI. It's not just a language model, it's a multimodal genius. Gemini can understand and generate text, images, audio, and even video, all in one seamless interface. Imagine uploading a photo, asking Gemini to analyze, then having it write a report, generate a chart, and even create a short video summary, all in seconds. Businesses are using Gemini for market analysis, content creation, and even customer support, blending multiple data types in ways ChatGPT can't match. In classrooms, teachers are using Gemini to create interactive lessons that combine text, visuals, and audio explanation, making learning more engaging than ever. Now, let's talk about Perplexity AI. Perplexity isn't just a chatbot, it's a real-time research engine. Powered by a blend of top models, including its own, Perplexity can answer complex questions with up-to-date cited sources. Its co-pilot mode can run multi-step research tasks, summarize academic papers, and even generate custom datasets. Journalists, students, and professionals are using Perplexity to dig deep into topics, fact-check claims, and produce reports that are both accurate and transparent. For instance, a science journalist recently used Perplexity to gather the latest research on climate change, cross-referencing studies, and generating a comprehensive source-cited report in minutes. It's like having a team of expert researchers at your fingertips. Next up, Devin AI. Devin is the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Give it a project like build me a website for my bakery, and Devin writes the code, tests it, and deploys it online. It can debug, update, and maintain software with minimal human input. Developers are using Devin to automate repetitive coding tasks, while non-coders are launching projects they never thought possible. A small business owner, for example, used Devin to create a custom inventory management system, saving thousands in development costs. Devin doesn't just generate code, it understands projects from start to finish, making it a true game changer. And finally, Microsoft Copilot. Copilot has evolved far beyond its early days. In 2025, it's built into Windows 12, Office, and the Edge browser, and it's free for everyone. Copilot can summarize documents, generate presentations, automate workflows, and even help with creative writing and research. Small business owners, students, and professionals are using Copilot to save save hours every week, letting the AI handle the busy work so they can focus on what matters. Its deep integration and versatility make it smarter in many ways than a standalone chatbot. For example, a marketing team can use Copilot to draft emails, analyze campaign data, and generate slide deck, all without leaving their workflow. But here's where it gets even more interesting. These tools aren't just smarter, they're more accessible. Many offer free tiers or generous trial period, making advanced AI available to anyone with an internet connection. And because they're built for real-world use, they're being adopted by everyone from students and freelancers to Fortune 500 companies. The pace of innovation is staggering. OpenAI's GPT-5 is rumored to be in closed beta, with even more advanced capabilities on the horizon. Apple's on-device AI is making privacy-first intelligence possible. Anthropic and Google are pushing the boundaries of safe, reliable, and multimodal AI. But with all this power comes new challenges. Deepfakes, misinformation, and job automation are real concern. The story of 2025 isn't just about what AI can do, it's about how we choose to use it. Let's step back. The top 5 AI tools smarter than ChatGPT, Claude 4, Gemini Ultra, Perplexity, Devin, and Copilot aren't just upgrades. They're signposts on the road to a new era, an era where intelligence is everywhere, creativity is amplified, and the barriers to entry are lower than ever. But here's the real takeaway. The future of AI isn't being decided in boardrooms or secret labs. It's being shaped by you, the creator, the learner, the dreamers who pick up these tools and build something new. So, what will you do with this power? Will you use Claude 4 to reason through complex problems, blend text, images, and video with Gemini? Dig deep with Perplexity? Build your next project with Devin, or let Copilot handle the busy work so you can focus on what matters. The choice is yours. The tools are real. The only limit is your imagination. Which AI tool are you most excited to try in 2025? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology.